Oh, it's gonna be good. Hello, Chef here with another recipe for you. I got a little bit of this Cajun Andouille sausage. This comes up from Louisiana. This one's made with pork and chicken. And I want to show you what's in the package. It's pretty cool stuff. Here we go, this is Andouille. And I'm going to show you a real quick recipe. We're going to be using onions and garlic, fresh basil, got some little hook neck squash from the farmer's garden. Look at that. Some tomato hearts and a whole bunch of boiled potatoes. Yeah, here we go. Okay, for the andouille sausage, I like to cut it on a bias. It looks bigger on the plate, browns up a little nicer, and that's the way I learned it with Chef Paul. We're going to do, let's see, 1, 2, maybe 5 of these. Just like this. Watch your fingers when you're cutting this stuff. It's a little bit slippery. It's been smoked. Andouille's quite tasty. A little bit of pepper flake in there already. The tomatoes, I like to leave them into points. We're going to go like this. Just give them a little bit of a bias cut to match. Get them out of the way. Now the squash, look at that. The blossom's still on there. Cool. That's fresh right there. Okay, they're so small and they're so delicate. They're just going to be split. Oh, look at that. I'm not going to find these in the store. Wow. I think I'll split them once more. Maybe like this. Okay. Same thing here. Hook neck baby squash. How cool is that? Alright. Okay, this is a steel wok. It gets hot very quickly. Extra virgin olive oil. We're always going to start with the meat for the Cajun dishes. You let it cook. When the sausages get brown, like this, we're going to add a little spice. Got a half teaspoon of crushed pepper here. Fresh ground black pepper. Salt. Oh yeah. Using a skimmer, I'm going to remove these from the pan. Just like that. Add our onions. And the garlic. And you let it cook. When the onions get nice and brown, garlic's getting brown, potatoes all go in. And you let it cook. At this point, the potatoes have browned and they're starting to stick a little bit to the pan. Tomatoes, fresh herbs, we're using basil, use parsley if you like. And we're going to add a little bit of water to deglaze the bottom of this steel pan. You can hear it. Sausage is going back in. Oh, here we go. The andouille sausage, Cajun style with potatoes. And we're just adding these baby hook neck squash. That's the video. Thanks for watching. Try out the recipe. Like, share, subscribe. Subscribe right here. Drop a comment. Tell me what you think about this. Oh, it's going to be good. Okay, you want to bunch your basil together. You want to keep it fairly tight. Keep your fingers rolled back all the time. You don't want to lose them. And we're going to give it just a quick rocking motion. By the way, this knife is razor sharp. That's what we're talking about. Quality. Buy the best the first time. Avoid the cheap knockoffs. You know they're out there. OMG. The big box retailer, they're going to sell you those cheap knockoffs. They don't care about the quality, longevity. So this knife's been used now for a couple of years. Cutting board, 15 years plus. Rock maple, made in America. Porsche Turbo. Yeah. It's the quality and the superior performance and the longevity. There's so many things. This butcher block here is like 20 plus years old. We're rocking it every day. Love it. It's amazing. My spatula, well, this one here is about 10 to 12 years old. The problem is bacteria can, food and bacteria can accumulate down here where the wood meets the silicone. However, this is FDA approved food grade high heat silicone that goes to 500 degrees. You can see the end of it's just starting to wear a little bit. I like the curvature and the shape. So I got with this manufacturer and we improved the design. Here we go. This is the new design. These are about 10 inches long, I believe, maybe a little longer than that. The hole allows you to hang it. If you like to add a little loop of leather or string in there, you can hang them up if you want to. But anyway, no more bacteria right here. The handle's slightly weighted. It's really, really stiff. However, the head is slightly flexible. It's got the curve that I like, just like the other one there. You can see the curve really nice. It's the perfect spatula set. I believe these are sold as a set of 4 at the sponsor. Check it out, learn more, and again, the sponsor has all these exclusives. You just can't get it anywhere else because everyone else wants to sell you the cheap garbage. These are really, really nice. They're not expensive. I think like $7 a piece or something like that. I don't know, but the quality is there. Maple edge grain, ideal cutting surface. Bakeries, food prep, and much more. Maple end grain, even nicer. What do you think of my carved melon? Drop a comment below. What do we got in the mini mug? Oh, this is nature's Gatorade. Follow along as I show you how to make this. And wow, Cheers to your health. You know that's going to be good. Wow. Hit the love button, like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah, it's going to be good. Eat well, cook excellent, live long and prosper. Garlic is good for you. Thanks for watching. Hit that next video. The best. Cheers to your health. Notice my cutting boards. I use several of them throughout. Hello, Chef here. Someone asked me, how do you cook a T-bone steak in a pan? Oh yeah, looking for some of those pan juices right over the top. Don't forget, the butcher block is the perfect companion to the knife. You need quality butcher block. Hit your sponsor right there. They're made in the USA. They give you free shipping, no tax most areas. Don't forget to subscribe. Oh yeah, get cooking and have a great day. It's going to be good. Dry Parmesan shaker style. So we got 3 cheeses going on there. I had a request to cut it in half and show you what's inside, so here we go. So this video I'm going to touch on some points on butcher block and maintaining butcher block. However, over the years a lot of people have asked me, Chef, how do you get such an awesome patina, the color on the butcher block? This one, by the way, has been used by many of the chefs for over 10 years. The color's amazing. I'll show you what I mean. Ah, right here. This is a brand new piece of fresh cut maple butcher block. Do you see the difference? They're the same quality. They come from the same manufacturer. That is the sponsor's partner, by the way. Check it out right there if you need quotes and prices on the good stuff. Buy the best stuff the first time. There's many reasons. First of all, perfectly flat, perfectly square, uniform coloration, 1-year warranty, food safe glue, no formaldehyde, as in the imports they're using all kinds of garbage. It's just better quality. So you want to get the best quality you can the first time, and that's what I'm going to help you